I'll tell you
Awesome.
something else for Q Day that's really not talked about, even the people that know. But what is AI going to do when Q Day comes? Because AI depends on the substructure, infrastructure that is the digital world. We talk to AI, chat with it like it's a person, but basically it's not. Of course, it's a computer and programming and everything underlying is what it depends on. So these X.509 certificates that are used and these public keys and all of that it depends on to be sure it's doing so. And what's it going to do when it can't trust the origin
Right.
of the key or of some kind of certificate? And that's when it can fall into what's being called now AI panic. AI is not a person; it can't really panic, but its actions could simulate panic in the way that it could kind of